Hindi po ba kung void yung mga ginawa po ni na Mr. Sahi nung una, edi lalong-lalo po na void yung ginawa po ninyo. Kasi it came from the same poisonous tree. Di ba, attorney?
Well, well it if you are
Mr.
to look
Chairman,
at it,
I rest my case.
Thank you.
but let me explain
Boy,
because the
yeah.
final approval.
Deputy
The final
Administrator.
approval of the contract was made by the NEA Board of Administrators. And it was them who considered that despite the illegal action of the Samselco Board who constituted themselves as SBAC, the affirmation or the approval of the AGMA was taken into greater weight as Samselco.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, gusto ko lang pong tanungin si Deputy Administrator Lee. Ma'am, sino po yung nag-amyenda ng TOR? Who prepared the amended TOR?
The amended TOR was prepared by the SBAC of Samselco. And it was just...
Hindi po ba kayo ang...
No, it is not NEA. In fact...
So, sino po yung SBAC na yun
Sino ba ang
ng
composition
Samselco?
ng iba?
Is it the former under the leadership of Mr. Sahi?
Yes, it was under the presidency then of Mr. Omar Sahi. And
So are you telling us na sila yung nagtanggal nung parang nalito na ako.
yes, in fact, sir, truthfully, it was the board of directors of Samselco which dissolved the SBAC through a board resolution.
Huh?
It were them.
Wait.
Yes,
It were them.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman.
that was part of my interpellation a while ago.
Yes.
That the board of Mr. Sahi dissolved the SBAC.
If I may
And
read. Yeah.
in its place, nag-create po ng bagong board kasi as answered by the Deputy Administrator of NEA, Attorney Lee, na galing po sa Task Force Zamboanga City Electric One. Di po ba? Yun po ang sagot nyo kanina eh. So, sila po ang gumawa na nung I presume na sila na po ang gumawa nung lapot contract. Would that be a correct assumption?
Mr. Sahi, could you please answer the question of Congressman Ako? Para naguluhan na ako.
Paano yung sir? Kenley?
Di po ba na-dissolve kayo?
Undeserved, yes.
Nag-put up ng NEA ng panibagong board of directors.
Yes.
Sabi nyo kanina, galing sa mga heads ng mga cooperative,
Yes,
if I remember it right. Tama po.
tama.
Si Mr. Lapot po ang isa doon.
Yes.
Yes. So, ibig sabihin, yung lapot contract nangyari nung time na wala na po kayo, dissolve na po kayo,
Oo.
at yung lapot board ang nandyan. Tama po.
Tama.
At sila rin ang nagbago noong terms of reference from the original term of reference na kayo po ang gumawa.
Tama ho. Kasi it's very clear, yung kontrato na signed by Laput differs from our contract that we formulated. A joint force by the NEA and Samselco.
Be that as it may, Mr. Chair, para I would earn my keep, nagkaroon po ba ng panibagong bidding?
Yung pagkatapos namin, wala na. In fact, we question yung bagong kontrata na hindi dumaan sa General Assembly. It was not presented to the member consumer ng Samselco.
Opo.
And that is, I think, a violation.
Now, NEA, yun po bang, do you agree na wala pong nangyaring bidding na nag-award po dun kay Crown Desco?
If I may respond to that.
Sagutin lang po
Please
ninyo yung tanong ko.
answer.
There was a bidding. But if I may be allowed to clarify, Mr. Chair.
Please.
On August 30, 2018, the copy of the IM contract was officially forwarded to NEA. A copy, the final draft, that was still under the presidency of Mr. Omar Sahi. And it was also on August
final
30,
draft.
2018,
Sir,
that
ma'am,
Samselco
ma'am.
Board,
The final draft, meaning
Yes.
the amended TOR.
yes, the amended TOR,
The one that was signed by Mr.
Laput.
Lapot. So it came from
Because Mr. Laput came in only After the conclusion of the bidding. They came in only after the conclusion of the bidding because it is very clear from the office memo issued by NEA that the present board will remain to just finish the IMC. And
Congressman
it is
Ako.
also them
Yes,
that
you're
forwarded
recognized.
So,
the IMC.
the special, deputy administrator admits na wala pong, lahat po ng bidding na nangyari, panahon po ni
Yes.
Mr. Sahi. Tama? And therefore, you consider it as void. Would that be correct?
Yes, you're, please answer.
Just a backgrounder to that led to the approval. Yes.
Attorney, my question is very direct and very simple. It's answerable by yes or no.
We consider that as
Void.
not void. The one that was forwarded to NEA, the final IMC. The fourth bidding, the fourth version, the version on the final bidding, not the contract that was signed by Mr. Sahi.
Okay. Who conducted the bidding who conducted the fourth bidding?
Mr. Sahi.
Mr. Sahi. Now, kayo po, hindi po ba kung void yung mga ginawa po ni na Mr. Sahi nung una, edi lalong-lalo po na void yung ginawa po ninyo. Kasi it came from the same poisonous tree. Di ba, attorney?
If you are to
Mr.
look at
Chairman,
it,
I rest my case.
Thank you.
but let me explain
Boy,
because the
Nia.
final approval.
Deputy
The final
Administrator.
approval of the contract was made by the NEA Board of Administrators. And it was them who considered that despite the illegal action of the Samselco Board who constituted themselves as SBAC, the affirmation or the approval of the AGMA was taken into greater weight as Samselco then needed the investment management contract.
Okay. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I think there's a... Anyway, if I am to conclude the statement of Chairman Ako, hindi parang, lumalabas, void ab initio. Ganun, kasimple lang yun. Void ab initio. Maybe you can research later. Ganun lumabas eh. Diba? Anyway, Mr. Chairman, yung ibang panam.